I've been making YouTube videos for 1 year, and still the most common question that I get is how are you doing that at 1358 in your new cards tutorial video? What's happening is I'm selecting multiple instances of the same measure and editing them all at once. This is a shortcut that you can use in your DAX editor within Power BI, and I'm going to show you that as well as 4 others in 3 minutes. So let's get started. Starting off with the crowd pleaser, you can select all with Control-Shift-L. And what that means is if you selected a specific measure or value, you can hit Control-Shift-L and all other text that is the same will be selected in your DAX measure. So that means that if you want, you can modify that into something else. I'm going to keep it as sales for now, but it's a really, really nice way to modify your DAX measure without having to change and copy and paste 900 times. You can show suggestions if you don't have something, and say you have a variable which is just not showing the actual value. And even though I click it, the IntelliSense doesn't show up. If you just hit Control Space, the intelligence will kick in, so you'll be able to select whatever you want. Really, really convenient. If you have a situation where you need to move a line up or down, you can just select the line itself and hit Alt up or Alt down in order to just move that line, and it's really, really nice and simple. And of course you could always just copy and paste it, but this is a little bit of a shortcut that makes it a little easier. The next shortcut that I want to show you is commenting and uncommenting. You can comment things by just selecting the lines you want to comment and hit Control Dash, and equally just uncomment them by hitting Control Dash again. This is really nice, and it's definitely something, if you're a Power BI developer, you absolutely should know. And of course, the last one, Control D, is a find next. It's really nice because I can select a keyword and then hit Control D, and then I'll select the next item as well. This is really nice because it kind of works the same way that Control-Shift-L does, but you get to selectively choose which items you want to move. So Control D has selected only the first two. If I hit it again, it's actually selected 3 items, but not the next item. So you can be more selective with what you actually want to change. Awesome. If you want to know more shortcuts, you can always go to the site, which I'll link in the description, for keyboard shortcuts in Power BI. It's part of the documentation. You can see every single shortcut that exists here. There's a couple. Check it out. Hope this helped you. Hope you learned something. Thanks. Take care.